tips for leveraging user-generated content to boost your Amazon sales. So let's say you've been doing a great job of getting a whole bunch of UGC videos created, and now you want to know, how do I best distribute them? Well, I'm going to show you. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go through those videos and get screenshot images from those videos. This way you can have photo and video content. Now with those photos, chances are they're going to be lower resolution. So what you want to do is combine those photos into one photo using like a grid style photo, and you're going to put like 6 or 9 or 12 different photos from these videos into one main photo, and it's going to be a really great social proof image for your overall listing. Next, you're going to want to combine these individual videos into a compilation video so that you can show multiple different people, 5 to 7 different people in one video, and that's going to make it look like a lot of people are using your products, and it's going to really look like your product is trending, your brand is going viral, and overall give your brand a whole lot of authority. Now, I strongly recommend going with the vertical orientation for these videos because it really looks a whole lot more social proofy. Then once you have some good vertical videos, then you can run those as vertical video ads, and you can actually add multiple products into these vertical video ads. This is a new type of ad placement. Then you're going to want to split test these different videos to see which one is performing the best and scale into the best performing one. Also, you can sprinkle these videos around in your storefront, and then you can run them as ads off of Amazon and YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, places like that, or you could just post them organically and make sure that you mention a URL in those videos so that you can actually drive traffic back to your Amazon listing. So again, this URL is going to be short, easy to remember, and it's going to basically just redirect traffic right to your Amazon product detail page. All right, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you would like free access to our Amazon listing checklist, our free organic ranking ebook, and to get a free conversion rate listing audit, then head over to amzchecklist.com. And if you don't know who I am and what we do at Evolve Media, then let me tell you in 10 seconds. My name is Ian Smith with Evolve Media, and we create product photo and video content for Amazon sellers. Our main goal is to increase click-through rates and conversion rates of Amazon product detail pages. We do this by offering product photo shoots, graphic design, video shoots, and video editing, and then with that content, we split test the main images, A+ content, different videos as ads, and on the actual listing to be viewed organically, as well as by creating sales-driving infographics that significantly elevate the brand and make competition a thing of the past. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create user-generated content. So if you want to check out our pricing and content portfolio, then head over to emaamz.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.